Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT featured in dark slate metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood there's a 5.3 liter V8 paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features include a heated steering wheel, power sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, as well as Bluetooth. Some safety features include a backup camera, lane keep assist, parking sensors, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with memory seating, power lock and unlock, front and rear powered windows, and powered mirrors, as well as some storage and cup holder space below. To the left of the driver's seat, we have the power seating and power lumbar. Here are the seats, and we can hop inside. To the left when we get inside, we have our lighting controls, as well as the optional 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive, as well as the trailer controls. We go ahead and start up the truck here. In the middle there is our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel, we have the cluster controls as well as Bluetooth controls. To the left, we have the cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. Taking a look at our infotainment screen here, we can check out our audio options. We have AM, FM, as well as Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Here's the navigation, and we can throw it in reverse here. Take a look at the backup camera. Below that, we have our dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. Here we have our traction control, cargo bed lighting, parking sensors, lane keep assist, and hill descent control. Taking a look at our center console, we have a wireless charger up top, as well as some storage below. Here's the rear view mirror with OnStar and SOS. Just above that, we have 2 dome lights, as well as our sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles, as well as privacy tint on the rear windows and chrome assist steps. Making our way to the back here, we have rear bumper corner steps on either side for easier access to the bed. We can drop it down here. We have a storage cover on the top. It's also an easy lift tailgate, so it's super easy to pop back into place. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, some storage and cup holder space below. Here are the seats, and we can hop inside. The back of each seat, we have magazine holders. The back of the center console, we have storage, as well as a 12-volt and more storage below. If we take a look in the middle here, we can drop that down for an armrest / cup holder, as well as 2 dome lights at the top, and here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.